Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be doing a simple routine to ease back tightness. When you're ready, kneel on your mat. You can also double fold the mat if you need extra padding for your knees. Keeping yourself aligned, spine in line with the pelvis. When you're ready, come down to all fours. Have your wrist in line with your shoulders and knees in line with your hips. And just start to shift your weight back and forth a little bit. Feeling the weight transfer from your arms to your legs. Moving over your shoulder joints, then your hip joints. When you're ready, sit back, circle to the side, move forward, circle to the other side and sit back. You're essentially moving in circular motion now, bringing your weight to the back, side, front, side again and back. Bring your pelvis to your heels, to the side, to the front, to the side, and to the back again. Reverse your direction, circling in the other way. We can increase the range of motion here. Bring your arms now more forward than your shoulders. And as you circle and bring the weight forward, you will find that you're shifting your weight more forward and your thighs might almost be touching the floor. And when you circle from the side to the back, you will feel yourself extending the spine more. Go through the circular motion slowly, going through each joint to release any stiffness in the joints. Try to make sure that you don't bypass any tightness in the joints. To ease back stiffness, we need to also ease the joints around the pelvis and the shoulders. Sit back on your heels and then fold your mat. Come to a kneeling position. Interlace your fingers, extend your shoulders back, straighten your elbows, looking diagonally up. Curl your spine a little bit, bend your elbows as transition. Then extend your elbows, roll your shoulders back, chest open, looking up. And curling your spine, bend your elbows and looking down. That's a transition. Before we arch the spine, open up the chest more. Try to straighten your elbows as much as you can. It will also help with opening of the chest. Roll your shoulders back here, curling down and then arching and opening up. Hold it there if you like. Straighten the elbows more, arch a little bit more. Do it a little bit slower, curl lower. Curling deeper, scooping belly in. And then arching, extending shoulders back more, lengthening the arms down. Bending the elbows, reach downwards more in a curl position. Sit back on the mat here, legs straight in front, point. Interlace your fingers, extend your shoulders back and do the same movement. Open the chest more as you look up, but this time there is a little bit more challenge because our legs are stretched out in front. Pointing the legs to the front as you straighten the arms to try to reach downwards with a straight elbow as much as possible. Arching, looking up here, opening the chest, straight arms, straight elbows, curling, scooping the belly in, looking down between your knees here, arms remain straight. Take your time to do this, pulsing like I do if you like. It will deepen the stretch, opening the shoulders with rolling back more. Also, it will be extremely beneficial to reduce the stiffness in the upper back especially. Pulsing backwards here. The more you pulse, the more your chest will open up here. Gliding, expanding a little bit more with each pulse. Then interlace your fingers, palms face forward, elbows straight here, looking down, scoop your belly in, curl your spine. Your feet are flexed, legs as straight as possible. Hold it there, curl, scoop the belly in. Slowly release. Bend one knee and rotate your body to one side, keeping both sit bones equally grounded on the mat. Keeping your spine as straight as possible. Your ears are in line with your pelvis no matter which way you are rotating. Take your time to do this. You can, as you hold a rotated position, breathe in and out before you change. Slowly start to wave the spine here. Feel the fluidity of your spinal vertebra and joints here. As you go forward, bring your arms forward, arching the spine. As you curl back, bend your elbows and deepen the curl to come back. Keeping your legs as straight as possible. As you arch forward, point your toes, arms forward, and then flex your feet here. Your arms come back up in a curl. Wave the spine. Inhale as you reach forward in an arch. Exhale, come back in a curl. Inhale, reaching forward, point your toes. Exhale, scoop your belly in, flex your feet. And again. Inhale forward. Exhale, curl back. Inhale, arch. Exhale, curl. to rotate your spine one side at a time, keeping both legs straight here, looking to the side and up. Rotating and release the tightness around the sides of your torso. Do the same, looking to the side and up, but this time extending both arms along. Keep your shoulders down as you bring the arms up, lengthening out the side of your torso. Releasing the stiffness around the shoulder blades area as well as your lower back. Keeping your feet flexed. Working asymmetrically like that is very helpful to release all the hidden tightness in the back. See if you can bring your arms a little bit higher, beyond your shoulders or in line with the shoulders. The point here is try to release more and more of the tightness, opening up more, and let the tissues glide even further. Bend your knees, curl your spine. Slowly arch your spine. Bending your elbows, scoop your belly in. Bending the elbows, arch your spine, looking diagonally up. Scooping the belly in. Arching your spine, opening the chest. And this wraps up today's video, ease back tightness here. I hope you feel good. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any feedback. I'd love to hear from you. And with that said, do like, share, subscribe if you like my content and the way I do mobility moves here. I will really appreciate it because it will help me to grow my channel. And as always, keep moving, keep getting better. I will see you very soon in the next video.